What's up, YouTube? Another review video on a Honda 300EX. Check it out. Alright guys, what we got here is a 06 Honda 300EX. Working on it for a customer. Figured I'd do a review video on it. Might end up buying it off of them. So if you guys are in the market for one, here's a review. He put new chain and sprockets on it, but I gotta take a link out. It won't tighten up, it's too long. I put some new tires on it for him. Other than that, it's pretty much stock. It still has the original spark plug in it, which I'm probably going to do a video on, pulling that out and putting a new one in. It's got plugs in the tires. But it runs good, no smoke, no ticking or knocking. Crank it up for you guys and take it for a ride. Really quiet with the stock pipe on it. Got a light bar on it. Now let me set you guys up and I'll take it for a little ride here.